Yes, student, today we are doing exercise 12.1. So here we are taking question number 4. The wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So let us start the calculation. First of all, it is given speed of 66 kilometer. Speed of car is 66 kilometer per hour. So this statement means in 1 hour the distance covered is 66 kilometer. We know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes the distance covered is, we're going to change it into meter. So 66 into 1000 meter, it will be equal to 66,000 meter. Since the diameter is given in centimeter, so we're going to change it in centimeter. So multiply by 100 centimeter. After multiplication, we'll get this number. Now, let us make a table. Why we are making the table? Because we have to find the distance covered in 10 minutes. Because we have to find the number of revolution for 10 minutes. So first of all, we're going to find the distance covered in 10 minutes. So we're going to take the unit time in minute and distance in centimeter. When time is 60, distance is 66 lakh. We have just calculated. When time is 10, this is the time 10 minutes. So that's why we are taking 10. Distance we have to find. Here is the question mark. So we're going to use the variation process. Here we are observing the direct variation. This we have studied in class 8. Here we are observing the direct variation. Why? Because if time is more, then we can cover the more distance. If time is less, then we will cover the less distance. So that's why we have the direct variation. So according to the position of the arrow, we're going to write the number 60 divided by 66 lakh equal to 10 divided by, in place of question mark, let us write x. This is the distance which we have to find. So cross multiplying it, we get this number 10 into 66 lakh divided by 60. After calculation, we get 11 lakh. So what is x? So in 10 minutes, the distance traveled is 11 lakh centimeter. Now come to the main part. This is the wheel of the car. Let us mark a point. When it rotates, it will cover some distance. So after rotation, the point again come to the ground. So it means that in one revolution, distance traveled, the line that is covered will be called as distance. In one revolution, distance traveled is circumference of circle, because the circumference of the tire will touch the circle. So that's why the distance traveled will be equal to circumference of circle, equal to 2 pi r. So substituting the values, the value of pi we know that it is equal to 22 by 7. In place of radius, we are going to take 40 centimeter. Why? Because it is given diameter equal to 80 centimeter in the question. So that's why radius we have 40. Calculating it, we get 1760 divided by 7 centimeter. So this is the distance traveled in one revolution. Now we have to find number of revolution in 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes we have calculated the distance traveled. So we're going to take the two units, that is revolution and distance. So again we're going to make a table. In this table we're going to take the revolution and distance. So this is the table. revolution and distance we are taking in centimeter. Now when the revolution is 1, the distance travelled is 1760 divided by 7. This we have just calculated. Now when the distance is 11 lakh, this is the distance for 10 minutes. What is the revolution? This we have to find. Again here we are observing the direct variation, because if distance is less, revolution will be less. If distance is more, revolution will also be more. So more and more, less and less. Direct variation is there. So again, the position of arrow in both of them will be same. So according to the position of arrow, first we are going to write the number at the tail position of arrow, 1760 divided by 7. Then upon 1 equal to 11 lakh divided by x. In place of question mark, we are going to write again as x. This is the number of revolution which we have to find. Now on the left hand side, 7 will be multiplied in 1. So we get 1760 divided by 7 equal to, right hand side number we're going to write as it is, divided by x. Now here, doing the cross multiplication, we get 11 lakh into 7 divided by 1760. On calculation, we get the number 4375. Thus, in 10 minutes, number of revolution is 4375. Thank you.